So, three types of arguments are there. Passing arguments can be done in three ways. So, positional arguments, that is very easy. Positional arguments, or you can also call that as required arguments. So, you can put your arguments while calling in different, I mean, you can take three different or four different, n number of different values, and it can be a combination of either literal or variables, and a perfect exact matching should be there as far as parameters are concerned. I have given examples also for that. Now, and later on, yesterday I have discussed about default arguments. What are default arguments? We will do some programs on this today. Default default arguments. What are default arguments? So we will go with one example for default arguments. Yesterday I have shown example or not? Default arguments. Hmm? Yesterday, did I show any example with respect to default arguments? Okay, again I will show you. See here. Let me share. Yes, this is your Python shell. Let me open the interactive mode. So we are discussing, we are doing a program on default arguments again. File, new file. Let me share the new file. Let me share the new file. Yes, here is your new file. Can you see that? Can you see the new file? Yes.
Yes.
So let me write one application here on default arguments. Just a minute. Let me size this. Yes. So I want to take a definition. So def is the keyword which you have to use. Name of the definition. Say for example, show or find. I will take find as the name of the function. And then what are the parameters of that? I will take three parameters. Say for example, a comma b comma c. I want to initialize with say 0.99. Okay, fine. Otherwise, for your simplicity, I will add simple integer. What is there? I will go with 5. C is assigned with 5. Don't forget, put a colon. So what is the meaning of this? Function header is done. Function header is added. So whatever you are going to type after your colon, it comes under indentation, means block of code. Block of code. I am going with some block of code. So after colon, whatever I write, automatically indentation will come. 4 space bars, space will come automatically. You need not do any adjustment, as you know. Now you write some formula, some you can solve, you can evaluate some equations here, like say for example, uh, cube of this or product. Just a minute. So here, say I just want to multiply product. Product is equal to A into B into C. B into C. Okay, fine. Now, then I want to, if you want to return or does not return, it doesn't matter, because I have shown you earlier some programs using return statements and some other programs without using return statements. Okay, fine. I just want to make a call, make a, what you say, I just want to display here itself. I want to display here itself simply. I don't want to return anything in this program. So I'm just writing display. Nothing is written from definition part. So simply I am displaying the product, nothing great. Product, okay, is equal to, comma. So whatever product you got, you write that variable name, product. Yes, fine. So whatever evaluation is undergoing, it will be displayed. Fine. Let me come out of the indentation now. So how to come out of the indentation? Hit backspace. Yes, you are out of the indentation. Now how to call this function? So whenever you call, then only that code will be executed. I am telling from the beginning. So here I am making a call. So the call is just find. F5 and define. So I want to pass arguments, isn't it? I just want to pass arguments. So what are the arguments available here already? What is there? C is there, and just A and B you have to pass. See what is going to happen. So I am taking values like this: 1, comma 2, comma. C is not there. Already it is passed. So only two arguments I am writing here. So whatever I am writing inside parentheses, they are called as arguments as far as call is concerned. So this is your function call. So this is your function call. So function call is present in which section? Main section or definition section? Main portion or definition portion? Function call is present in the main portion. That's why if you want still, I have explained in the past about main function. So your main function is getting started from here. So I am writing hash underscore main underscore. Two underscores you have to use. Don't use single underscore. Of course, it is a comment you can do. You can go with a single, but single here. But generally, if you want to display the main, if you want to show where you are, normally we use double underscore. Okay, fine. Leave that. I explained that concept earlier. Whatever it is, this is your main part. So inside the main function, your call is there. So I called the function, and as part of the function call, I pass two arguments only, 1 and 2. So 1 will be passed to A, and 2 will be passed to B, and C will take a default argument. This is the default argument. And what are actual arguments? Terminology, don't get confused. So many names are coming. Where I am writing default argument, where I am writing actual argument, where I am writing formal argument, try to understand. So here there is a default argument. Default, there is one default argument. What is the default argument here? During function definition, can you say A or B or C? Which is the default argument among A and B and C? One of you come out and answer that. Among A and B and C, which you can call as a default argument? Is A a default argument, or B a default argument, or C a default argument? Please tell me. Which is default argument, sir? Speak away. Speak
C,
out.
sir.
Nobody is talking. You have to speak out.
What, sir?
Yes. Answer. Without your answer, I cannot go further. Please try to understand.
So repeat question.
What are default arguments? Here, what are the default arguments?
That are directly given in the
B
function
and C
definition.
are there. Among them, which is called as a default argument, sir?
C.
C, right. Who is that answer? Bhumi. What about others?
I told.
Comment of C. C is the default argument. Why I am calling C as a default argument, Naeem? Very simple to recognize. I have given one function definition there, and one of your classmate is answering C as a default argument. Why not A and B? Tell me, what could be the strong reason behind that?
C is directly, and by default it is initialized with 5.
Not audible.
And
Okay. Oh, yes. It is. Yeah. Yesterday, what happened is I have muted those speakers. Yes. Fine. Yes. I have muted speakers. Sorry. Now I have unmuted my speaker. Yes. So default argument is C. Yes. I can hear you now. Yes. What is the strong reason behind that? Default argument is C. Yes. Now I can hear. A and B are not default arguments. And what are the other two parameters, A and B? They can be called as, one word is there for that. What are they called as? Formal or actual? Formal
Formal.
parameters are formal. Yes, that is good. Formal params. Formal parameters. What are the formal parameters here? A comma B are the formal parameters. And C alone is the default argument. Now Naeem can answer this. Why I am choosing C as a default argument? Because it is initialized. Simple reason. Because it is initialized. Am I right? I can distinguish one with the other one. Who is Raunak, who is Naeem. I can easily distinguish. In a similar way, here also I can say which is A, which is B, which is C. C is looking something different. That is why I named that as default argument. In which way it is looking different? C. Because C is initialized. That is why it is a default argument. Means whenever you go with a default argument, again you need not push from your call. So where is your call, sir? This is your function call. So from here you need not push your argument, because of course 1 and 2 are the arguments. They will be passed, available, pushed to A and B. But what about the third one? Third one is not at all required, because it is somewhere reserved there itself in the name of a default argument. That's how it works. Okay. Now let me save this application and try to see the output. Collect the output. Save the program. Let us name the program as default. Yesterday also we have done, it seems. Yeah. Default argument. You need not give dot extension, I mean dot py. It will be saved by default. Oh, already it exists. Okay, I will make it as 2 then. Default argument 2. Yeah. By default, it will be saved with dot .py. You need not give. Okay, fine. Now let us click on run. Let us check the output. I will copy the output. Wait for a while. If you want to see the output, I will show you that also. Wait. If you don't believe me, I will show you. Yes. Don't believe me, just to see this. Yeah, it worked fine. You got product 10. Getting product 10 is not the issue. Some other issues are revolving around that. How to get product 10, you can learn in some other subject like mathematics. But here, the other issues are important. Is it not? So let me copy that output. Let me copy that and paste it here. Let me paste it here. Wait. Where is that output? Here it is. It is here in the shell. It is there. Yes. Control C. Copy that and paste the output there itself. Let me share that document as well with you. Share what? Default argument. So the great output is, going to be so this is your output. Product equals 10. That is simple logic. A is 1 and B is 2 and C is 5. C is captured inside function definition itself because C is initialized. That's why it is the default argument. Same program, I want to do some little modifications. We will examine that code also. Let us see. Yesterday also I have done. Again, I am re-explaining almost all. I am not satisfied with yesterday's class. That's why I just want to explain this one more time. Let me share that new one. Untitled one. Yes, this one. Yes. Yes. Paste. One change I am making, sir, in this program. I don't want to go with 5. I want to go with 3. Now tell the output. Whoever is going to tell the output, they will pass easily. I am saving this program.
So repeat.
Default arg 3. Okay. Yes. Default arg 3. So what is the output? What is the expected output? Will C be considered as a default argument or C will be considered as a 3? Huh? I saved this Only two answers are
Sir, the
available.
whole
Screen is
I
green.
will give the options. See, I will give the options. A, option number A. 3 into 2 into
Sir,
1.
screen is green.
Screen is green.
Sir, screen is green. Yeah.
All of a sudden it happened. I will stop sharing and again I
Yes,
will
sir.
share. Wait. Now,
Yes,
now
sir.
how it looks? Is it visible? Is it visible
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I have selected the previous window and again I have selected this. That's why. Okay, now what is the output? You can see clearly. Can you see the program
Yes.
clearly? Yes. Now answer.
Yes.
1 into 2 into 3. 6. Is that the correct
6.
answer? Or 1 into 2 into 5. 10 is the correct answer. Which is correct?
6.
6. Ronak is saying 6. Anybody else having contradictions with this output? With his output? Somebody has given chat message. Sir, I think I am still muted. You are muted, not me. Because whatever Raunak is saying, I can understand. Your answer is also 6. Okay, fine. Then, majority are saying 6. Let us check. Yeah, I will share the output. Wait, it is 6. Great answer is 6. I will share that. I will share that. Yeah, it is 6. Previously, it is 10. So, what happened? We have to discuss about this. Some discussion should happen. So, what happened? What happened in this context? Stop share. Share screen. What is that? Default 3. Yeah, here it is. Is it visible now? Visible or not? So, what is the change in output, sir? What is the change in output? Can you see the output here? Can you see the program and output
Yes.
as well? Huh? Yes. If you are having any problem, immediately send some chat message or raise your hand. I can understand if it is not audible. Okay, fine. See, 6 is the output. What is the difference between previous program and this program? Only one change away. So
Your
in your
actual
exam,
replaced
yeah,
formal.
yeah, in your exam also they are going to give these kind of output questions. They will give the entire program. They will ask you the output that costs 2 or 3 marks. Okay, you are in 12th standard now. You should carefully attend to these things. You should be alert. 11th is gone. No more 11th. Yes. So output is 6. Why that much difference? Because here these arguments are called as, what are the arguments here, sir? This is function call and arguments are called as arguments in function call can be called as, and arguments here are called as what? Already I have given default arguments means different one, formal params different one. Here actual parameters, sorry, actual arguments, not parameters. Don't call them as parameters because while calling we call them as arguments. Actual args. So actual arg is a dominating default or not? Can you please tell me? Actual
Yes.
argument is a dominating default argument or default parameter. Default argument, generally we call it as default argument, is overthrown, is thrown out, thrown away from the memory. So it is hiding. Okay, it is hidden by products. I mean, what is that? Actual argument. So actual argument is taken by C. And what happened to 5? 5 is gone. No more 5. Even if you write 5 also, it won't work. So when default argument is effective? My next question. When is your default argument effective? So we have to conclude this. So we have observed 2 examples, 2 applications, 2 programs. Don't say application program. Application is different, program is different. Okay. Application is different, program is different. I may be saying sometimes program, sometimes application. Program means small. This is program after all. At times you may call it as application also, but don't say both. Both at a time you cannot say. I cannot say application program. Application is different, program is different. Program means few lines of code. Application means huge lines of code, more and more lines of code. Okay, whatever it is. But as I worked little time for companies. I use application at times. Okay, don't bother about that. So whatever it is, so what is the concluding point for this? When default arguments are effective, as long as there is no what actual argument, incoming actual argument. So default argument stand strongly. But if actual argument is given during call, when you are going to give actual argument during function call, then obviously there will be no effect whatsoever with the default argument. Default argument will not work. Able to understand, Naeem? Default argument will not work when
Yes, sir.
actual argument is given. When actual argument is given, default argument will not work. So that is the moral of this. So third type, let us move to the third type. Let me stop sharing this. Third type, we will do some applications. Yesterday we are in hurry. Now I will go through those third type things. What is the third type called as? What is the name of that? Keyword or named arguments. Keyword or named arguments. And one more thing I have to talk about during the default arguments. That is, see, I still want to exaggerate this a little bit. It is there in your syllabus. I will go with one more application, sir. Then you can understand. Because there is one thing to talk about, default argument. Let me come back to the same story again. Just let me open the IDLE. Where is that IDLE hiding? Here it is. Yes. Now again a new one. Just want to open a new script mode, development mode. Yes. Yes. Same program. Again, I want to copy. Little bit changes will be there in this, of course. Default 2 is there now. Yes. Sure. This is the untitled one. Yes. See. Little change in this program I am making this time. I am giving b value also as a what? Default argument. How many default args are there here? No, not argument. Arguments plural. How many are there? 2 default arguments. And whenever you are giving default arguments, how they look like? They are looking like variable initializations only. Means variables are defined. So whenever variables are defined or variables are initialized, we call them as default arguments. Now, Naeem, at least you have to speak out. Naeem is there? Yeah. Naeem. I'm calling you so many times. No answer from Naeem. How many default arguments are there now? 2 default arguments are there. What are they? B and C respectively. Couple of default arguments are given and one formal param is given. Of course, all are formal parameters only, but categorically we can divide them into 2 default arguments. They are B and C. How can we say that B and C are default arguments? Because they are initialized inside function definition. It looks just like simple variable initialization, but the only difference is I have gone with variable initialization somewhere inside the function definition. That is the only difference. Fine. Same operation, same logic, but one change I am making, sir, here. One change. What is that? C. That's it. How many requirements are there? Already 2 default arguments are sitting there inside function definition. Just one and only one actual argument is sufficient to do the task for you. And let us examine the output. What could be the output for this application? Let me save this. What is your expectation? Will it work or not? Let us see. Default default underscore arg, fourth program, fourth application. See how many programs we are doing. Now let me run this. Let me run this. Yes, great. You are getting 45 now. 45 is the output for this. Yes, I'm copying this 45 there. Huh? I'm copying this 45. Change in output means it is working. Great. Yes, it is working fine. Let us paste the output here. Yes, yes, fine. 45. Okay, sir. Now examine the code. Any problem? Perfect execution. Again. Now let us go with all default arguments. That also we will test. Okay. Understood this program? So what I am doing, if you have a close look from right hand side, I started. And keeping on moving towards left hand side. That is important point which you have to remember. I have given all these points in your notes also. Please check later on. Textbook also it is there. Inside your textbook also it is there. Inside my notes also it is there. Please go through them. Okay. See, yesterday I have not covered this point. Now I am covering this point also. Insufficient time. I couldn't cover on yesterday. Today we are covering another point. At another point. What is that? Keep on adding what? Default arguments from the right hand side of the parenthesis. First, slowly I injected rightmost corner, that is C is equal to 5. Slowly I captured the middle one. Huh? And then I am going to capture the front one also. Let us see that. Let us see. I am going with one more application. I just want to go with one more new file. Okay, stop sharing. Share screen. This is the untitled one. Okay. This one is done. Which are the applications done already? Otherwise it leads to confusion. Let me remove them. Yes. Now this is the latest one which I have to show. Yes. Can you see this screen? Any problem in visualizing this? Yes. See, one change I am making. One more change I am making, sir. I am not interested to go with any actual argument. I want to go with all default arguments. Just a function call. In exam, these kind of questions may come. See, I'm not talking about board exam. Now itself it may come. Saturday, another exam is waiting for you. And tomorrow I'm going to give results of the previous exam. Due to some other work I couldn't give. Today I will collect and possibly I will put in your group as well. See, will it work or not? If it works, what could be the output for this? We will check this. Wait. We should go with all proofs. Default. Default arg. Number 5, fifth application. Number 5. Yes. Now let me run this program and see the output. When the same output comes or not, we will check. We will see the output. Game. Suspense. Same output. Yes, 45 again. Again 45. So what could have happened? You are able to see the output now? Now see. Yes. Same output. So no problem. Yes. I'm getting excited. I want to do another one with little changes. Are you not getting excited to see a new application with little changes? What, sir? Tell. Share the screen. Share. New one. Paste the program. Start sharing this. Share this untitled one. Yes. See, now the kind of changes I want to make here are, I started from right,